So today for you all, I'm going to be filming my June favorites, and as you know, I love my favorites videos, and as you know, like in every other favorites video, I'm going to say, how did this month already fly by? I can't believe June is already coming to a close. I cannot believe that has just happened. That is just mad to me. First big summer month has come to a close. So anyway, today for you all, I'm going to be filming my June favorites, and I love filming my favorites videos. I absolutely love reviewing all the products I've been loving for the whole month. So if you guys are interested in seeing my June favorites video and all of the products I've been loving this month, then you can go ahead and stay tuned. So the first product I've been loving for the month of June has been an eyeshadow palette, and that has been the Stila In the Light eyeshadow palette. The reason I got it is because of ARose186. She talks about these Stila palettes all the time, so I wanted to give one a try. So this is just a great palette, and ever since I got it, I've kind of been wearing it every day since I've gotten it. It just has really great neutral colors for every day. It kind of reminds me of the Naked palette, but it's a little different, and it just has wonderful colors. I've really been loving the whole top row of colors. I've kind of been using that every single day since I've gotten it and just doing different variations with this eyeshadow palette. The color payoff is amazing in these eyeshadows, and they're just really nice and pigmented, and I really like all of them. So if you guys would be interested in seeing a tutorial with this palette, definitely let me know in the comments below because I would love to film that for you guys. But this has definitely been a favorite of mine in the month of June. So I've been loving another Stila product this month, and that has been the Stila Smudge Pot in the color Kitten. So I got this smudge pot on Sarabelle93X's recommendation because I saw her use it in a video and it looked so gorgeous on her lids. So Stila's Kitten is their signature color and what they're known for. So this is just the most prettiest color in the world. It's kind of a champagne-y, nudie, pinky color, and I absolutely love it. And I kid you not when I say, since I've gotten this, I've worn this every single day. I love wearing this on its own. I love wearing it under eyeshadows to give it kind of a sparkle and to layer it. And this is just a wonderful base for your eyeshadows. It works well with any type of color, and it just really gives your eyes a nice base. It has a really nice creamy texture. It glides onto the eyelids completely wonderfully, and I absolutely have been loving this product for the month of June, and I really have been wearing it like every single day since I've gotten it. So this was definitely a favorite product of mine in the month of June. So I promise this is my last Stila product that I've been loving in the month of June, but the next Stila product is the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner in the color Damsel. So this eyeliner actually comes in the Stila In the Lights palette. It came at the bottom as like an extra addition to the palette, and this is a really pretty eyeliner. It's a really nice deep chocolatey brown color, kind of like an espresso brown color, and I see why people love the smudge proof eyeliners from Stila because they're amazing. This eyeliner, even though it's a pencil eyeliner, it really reminds me of more of a gel eyeliner or even a liquid eyeliner. It doesn't look like a pencil eyeliner on your lids. It looks very creamy and rich. The color payoff is amazing, and the staying power is absolutely wonderful. It really lasts no matter where you put it, especially if you put it on your tight line. I like to tight line my eyes with this, and it doesn't transfer down onto your waterline. It doesn't smudge and disappear halfway through the day. It really stays put and it lasts, and the color of this one is just beautiful. So overall, this product has been amazing in the month of June. I love the Stila Smudge Proof eyeliners, and I definitely want to get more because they just feel more like a liquid eyeliner or a gel than a pencil, which is great, and they really stay in place. So I've been loving this product this month. The next product I've been loving this month is a mascara, and that is Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express Cat Eyes Mascara. So I was just due for a new mascara, and I'd never tried any of the Maybelline Colossal mascaras, so I wanted to give this one a try, especially because the leopard packaging totally reined me in. But this is a wonderful mascara. So the wand, as you can see, just kind of has a curved shape to it, which is really awesome and really good for your eyelashes. So this mascara is absolutely wonderful, and I'm really happy that I purchased it. It has definitely become one of my favorite drugstore mascaras, and I'll definitely be repurchasing it. It just really gives my eyelashes a lot of length, volume, and definition. It doesn't clump up, and it just really makes my eyelashes look really good. I really love the effect it gives my eyelashes. You can really get those outer corner eyelashes, and it just does a really good job at not clumping, keeping my eyelashes really defined and black and just not too long and not too volumey. It's a perfect mix of volume and length, so I've definitely been loving this mascara this month, and I would definitely recommend it to anyone who is looking for a good drugstore mascara. Next product I've been loving this month is a product that I actually was given to by one of my friends because she didn't want them, so I was like, I'll gladly take them. I'll take any beauty products. So it is the Sugar Lip Treatments, and I've heard about these. I've seen them at Sephora, and they're always in like the little bins like right when you go to checkout, and I'm always interested in trying them, but I just never go ahead and pick them up on my own. So when my friend offered that she didn't want them, I was like, I'll I'll gladly take them. So this is basically just a chapstick, and they also have a tinted one, so this is just the clear one. And this is really a nice lip product. It really is a great lip moisturizer, and it keeps your lips really, really smooth. I really like using this just as my daily lip balm or chapstick, whatever you want to call it. And it just keeps my lips really soft. It's really good to apply under lip products, and it just helps remove any flakes or dead skin off of your lips. So I'm pleasantly surprised by these sugar lip treatments, and I really, really like them. Next product I've been loving this month is a lip gloss, and that is the NYX Mega Shine Lip Gloss in the color Beige. So a lot of this stuff in this favorites video, in case you haven't noticed, was from my last beauty haul, but I've really just been loving everything that I got in that haul. That was like a really successful haul for me. So I first heard about this lip gloss color through Miss Glamorazzi, and she loved it, so I decided to give it a try, and I see why she loves it. It's just a really pretty baby pink mauve color, and it is gorgeous. So I just really love this lip product. The color is amazing, and I've been wearing it pretty much every single day since I purchased it. It just gives my lips a really nice baby pink color without looking too washed out or too light pink, so I don't look like a ghost faced or anything. But I just really like this lip gloss. The color payoff is wonderful. It doesn't make my lips sticky, which I love, and I just really like the color of it. I think this is such a pretty color for the spring and summer months. It looks really natural, but also gives your lips a little bit of a pink tint with some shine. So I've definitely been loving this lip product this month. The last beauty product I've been loving this month is a hair product that I'm sure you guys have heard me talk about before, but I've recently started using it again, and I've really been enjoying it, and that is the It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. So ever since my hair has started to grow a little bit, which it's still short, but it's in the process of growing, I've been trying to use this a lot more. Whenever I get out of the shower, I kind of towel dry my hair a little bit, and then I spray this in my hair before I blow dry it, and it just makes my hair feel really good. It puts it in like a good soft condition, and I really feel that it's been helping my hair grow. I have been doing other things for helping my hair grow, but I feel like this has been helping somewhat. It just makes my hair feel really good, makes it really soft, easy to comb through, and it makes it look really nice when I blow dry it. So I just really like this product, and I've liked it for a while, but since I've recently started using it again, I've really been enjoying it. If you're looking for a good just leave-in product that helps really repair your hair and make it feel soft and in good condition, I would definitely recommend this product, and I have been loving this product this month. So the very last thing I've been loving this month has been a TV series, and I've finally watched this, and if you follow me on Twitter, you probably see me talk about it, but that is Game of Thrones. So the whole thing with Game of Thrones and my family is my sister got the first season, and this is the first season right here on DVD for Christmas, and we never got around to watching it, and then about in March, I would say, my sister started watching it, and she was like, Ricky, you need to watch this show. It's so good. You will love it. It's amazing. And I was like, yeah, I'll get around to it. It didn't really feel like it was going to be my type of show just based on what others had said about it and what my sister was telling me about it. I didn't know if I would really like it or it seemed like my type of show. But this month I watched the first episode and started watching Game of Thrones, and I'm obsessed with it now. I'm completely finished with what is contemporary. I've watched the first 3 seasons, and I can't believe I have to wait until next April for season 4 because it's just such an outstanding series. I never thought I would be so connected to it as I am, or I would love it as much as I do. I'm completely in love with the Game of Thrones series. I think it is amazing. I have to say, I watch a lot of TV series. I've watched The Sopranos, Dexter, Breaking Bad, Downton Abbey. I watch a lot of TV series, and I have to say, this is easily my favorite show on TV, and it's probably my favorite series I've ever watched. You are just totally transported to another world when you watch Game of Thrones, and you get so connected to all of the characters, and it's just an amazing show, and I love it so much. So I've definitely been loving Game of Thrones this month because I watched the first 3 seasons and what is contemporary. It's such a great show, and I see why people rave about it and love it, and I can't believe I have to wait until next April for season 4. I don't think I can wait that long. But if you are interested in Game of Thrones, I would definitely recommend it because I am now a Game of Thrones person. I'm obsessed, and I love it, so I was definitely loving this show series this month. Okay guys, so that was all of my favorite products for the month of June. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as you know, I love filming my favorites videos for you guys. So I'd definitely love to know what your June favorites were, so definitely type up your favorites in the comments below or film a video response to this video because I would love to see what you are loving this month. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave any video requests you guys have down in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Bye guys!